using floral non-stretch fabric, and I folded 2 pieces twice to cut both the back and the front using the pattern. I'm using the basic bodice pattern, which is dartless. So I'm just adding some sewing allowance, 2 inches, and then when it comes to the waist, I'm using the bust measurement for the waist, and then at the shoulders I'm adding 1/2 inch sewing allowance. I also added 1.5 inch for joining allowance. For the neck, I've used 4 inch depth and then 3 inch width for the front, and for the back I have used 1.5 inch. I'm joining 2 pieces at the shoulder. So I'm taking the measurement on the armhole so that I can cut the sleeves. So I'm cutting both sleeves in this fabric. I went twice the measurement of the armhole, and the length I took 6 inch for both sleeves. I gathered the sleeves, and then I'm joining the gathered pieces to the dress. Then I join both sides of the top, including the sleeves. Just making sure of the measurement. Remember, I've used the past measurement on the waist. So divide 2 pieces on the skate. Like the skate length, you have to divide it by 2. And on the first piece, I'm taking measurement from waist to hip plus 2-inch joining allowance. And into the full length of the first piece, I'm gonna put the waist, the hip measurement. On the bottom, I put the hip measurement on the bottom of the first piece of the skate. Don't forget to put your allowances, your sewing allowances. I took 1 inch. So I'm joining this first piece to the top. I'm gonna use the 1 inch joining allowance. The reason why I took the bust measurement, I put the bust measurement on the waist, it is because I'm going to put elastic. So after you have to create your elastic casing using the 1 inch allowance, and then you have to leave a hole for inserting your elastic. So measure your waist, the elastic that will be comfortable on your waist, and then insert your elastic. On the bottom, measure the round and cut twice the fabric, and then gather it, the second part of the skate. So after gathering it, join it to the dress. To finish the neckline, I have used a bias tape. So don't forget to hem your bottom of the dress and the sleeve area. That's it.